Hi, I'm Dr. G from Airport Dental, where you're not just a patient, you're family. Have you looked in the mirror lately and saw something you wanted to improve? Your smile is the gateway to your happiness. Improve your smile and improve your life. That's what we do here at Airport Dental. We improve people's lives through lumineers, lumineer-style dentures and partials, lumineer-style crowns and bridges, snap-on smile, invisible braces, and even implants. If you have broken, worn, decayed, chipped, or discolored teeth, why live with it any longer? If you have a gummy smile or a denture that you don't like the way it looks or fits, don't let it irritate you any longer. We have been serving the Pensacola area for over 16 years. We are conveniently located right off Airport Road between Rooms to Go and Sam's Club. Improve your smile and raise your happiness level in life. Don't wait another minute. Come in for a free consult. We can even do the treatment on the same day you come in. Give us a call at 477-8668. That's 477-8668.
I'm just going to put this bib around you, and we'll go ahead and get started, okay?
Your smile is one of the most important aspects in your life. It's really what your level of happiness is. Your level of happiness may be here, but if you've got a good-looking smile, your level of happiness is going to be up here. People always key in on a good-looking smile. So the smile that you have, if you're not happy with it, then it's your duty to make that smile look better, and your happiness level will come up in life. If you don't have a good-looking smile, what happens is it makes you not want to go out to the church function or the neighbor's barbecue, right? You look for an excuse not to go. Simply because you're not happy with the way your smile looks. You're afraid somebody's going to talk about it or say something or whatever have you. So if your smile looks good, now you're looking for a reason to go to the church function or the neighbor's barbecue. Or if the neighbor doesn't have a barbecue, you're going to have one and invite people over. So your smile really is what gets you out there in the world and makes you feel comfortable.
Well, I heard about Dr. G at Airport Dental. Seen him on TV, and I live in Panama City, and I thought, I would really like to talk to someone that has great product knowledge in what he does, and Dr. G has that.
They have extremely friendly staff, and he's not just a dentist where it's just there's a cavity, fill it. It's trying to give you the confidence behind your smile, trying to make your smile the best that it can be, not just fix stuff whenever it breaks.
Look in the mirror. Take a look at your smile. Is there anything you don't like about it? Does it embarrass you? Is there anything that irritates you? Don't wait another minute. Come in for a free consultation and let's make your smile beautiful today.
Dr. G will be my dentist forever now, and I would highly recommend him to anybody. I mean, even if you just want to clean it or whatever, come in and see him.
I see him as a complete package in what he does in the field that he's in, and you just, as a patient, you just don't see that much.
This patient here had come to us, and we did some lumineers on her, and we had our before and afters in the book, and I didn't have this caption down here at the time, and another patient was in the chair looking at these pictures, and she asked me, she goes, "Is that her daughter?" And I said, "No, that's her." And she went, "Wow, that looks like that could be her daughter." And I thought that was such a good little caption for the underneath that I put mother/daughter there, right? So we took the mother and made her look like her own daughter. And that was a lot of fun. Now that we've gotten the lumineers in place and you've got a brand new smile, are you ready to take a look?
I think so.
Take a look in the mirror and look at your brand new smile. It's going to make you look 20 years younger.
Wow.
You look great. That is look beautiful.
Isn't that amazing?
It is amazing.
I like this.
Yeah.
Dr. G, you're the best.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
I feel younger, which I'd like to feel younger. And I've never had pretty teeth. These are pretty. If I can brag on myself.
You absolutely can. That's what you're here for.
Yeah.
You're never too old to look younger. Never too old to look younger. And all of us will feel that way some point in life. So, because every now and then I get somebody come in, "Well, I'm too old to do this." You're never too old to feel younger. And that's a fact. When he came into the office, I remember the girls didn't say anything and there was no comments or anything like that. And then we did the lumineers on Charles. filled in his spaces and his gaps and gave him a really nice smile. And I remember after we got the lumineers done, the girls just could not believe what a change it made on him. And every time Charles comes in, they talk about him. They can't wait to see Charles because they really thought that it's made a big difference in the way he looks. And I won't say Charles wasn't handsome before, but as I said, the girls didn't have any comments until after we did his lumineers. And now when Charles comes in, at the morning meetings, oh, Charles is coming, oh, we can't wait. And the assistants are almost fighting over him. Who's going to get Charles in their room? And that's such a cool thing, not only for Charles, I don't even know if he knows that goes on, but it's such a cool thing for us because we realize how big a change, how big a difference it makes in the way you view somebody, right? It's just an incredible cosmetic benefit that he's going to be able to take advantage for the rest of his life.
I always wanted beautiful teeth. I have healthy teeth, but they were not the teeth that I like. I wanted big, beautiful teeth. I had what we call chiclet teeth, which were not the prettiest. They were, and I had spaces, which looked really good when I was really young, but when I grew up, I wanted no spaces, and I wanted big, pretty centrals. So I talked with Dr.G, and we decided that he might want to do this for me, and he made lumineers and did some dental work for me. And my lumineers turned out very beautiful. I got the effect that I wanted, and I just love my lumineers. And if you see, my smile has changed quite a bit. Most people that see me say, you know, there's something about you. You look so young, or you look this way, or you look that way, and nobody ever figures out that it's my teeth.
I came in October and started, and I got my lumineers right before Christmas time. So I've had them about 3 months now, and I am just thrilled to death with them. Wanted to have that big, white, bright smile.
Right, the Hollywood smile.
The Hollywood smile. Well, since I have my lumineers, my confidence has like gone way up. I used to not smile as much, but now I smile all the time, and all my friends just love it. People that I don't know or didn't know, they always compliment me on my teeth now, and that's, you know, something that's never happened.
Right.
And actually I did get a boyfriend, so maybe that's why.
Good. And you excited today?
Yes.
And get your lumineers?
Yes, doctor.
Good. I know you're looking forward to that.
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. And how long have you wanted to do something like this?
For a lifetime.
For a lifetime, huh? Beautiful. Love it. You got a great smile.
Wow. This is perfect.
Can we bring her husband back again? I'd love to do that. Let's bring her husband back. I want you to see her smile.
Very nice.
Yeah. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Very good. Very good. She's going to have a lot of fun with that smile.
Oh, yeah.
I owe that to Dr.G.
This was a lady who came to me, and she had been to the dentist 25 years ago, and they told her she was going to need to have her braces put on, and then she was going to need to have surgery, and then she was going to need to go back to braces, and it was going to take a 5-year time period. And that scared her so much that she did not return to a dentist for 25 years. And she saw our show, and she came to see me, and she goes, Dr. G, I know you can't make my teeth look perfect, but can you make them look better? And so we did some lumineers and some bridge work in there, and took about a 3-week time period, and we took her from essentially this smile to that smile. And she's thrilled. She hated going to the dentist. Now she loves coming to the dentist.
I had went through a couple of different dentists, and one recommended within the next 5 years we could do the braces, and then we could do the corrections, and then we could do the whitening, and then we could do the... that wasn't work for me.
Oh.
Yeah.
And in 3 weeks, you got your lumineers.
And in 3 weeks, I got my lumineers. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Now you've got a smile.
Now I've got.
You're going to get compliments on that.
That is like life changing. I cannot believe that. Oh my God.
Have to learn how to smile all over again.
I know, right?
Oh, this smile just gets bigger, that's all. Smile just gets bigger.
Oh my God. How? Everybody else was like 5 years braces. We'll do a bridge. And I come in here and 2.5 weeks later.
Oh, don't cry. You're not gonna cry.
2.5 weeks later, I'm walking out of here with the smile out and the teeth I really always wanted.
Yeah. Isn't that incredible?
Smile for the camera. Beautiful.
How did you hear about us at Airport Dental?
I actually went online and started researching. And I found out that Dr. G was the #1 in the state of Florida for lumineers, and he was in the top 3 in the nation.
Yes, ma'am.
So I did my homework.
Yes, you. Well, I'm glad you did.
Yeah, I did my homework.
You look awesome.
Checked with the Better Business Bureau. Checked with any kind of was there any kind of malpractice suits? He came clean on everything.
That is so much fun. That's what makes my job awesome. I love doing this because it's essentially that final point from the before to the after. And then I like to hear all the great things because things take off from here in life. They do.
Oh,
your happiness
absolutely.
level comes up. You get compliments on your smile. People see your smile and they're like, wow, what a nice smile. Makes you want to smile more. So it goes on and on and on.
Oh, it's life changing. There's no doubt about that.
Yeah.
It is definitely going to be life changing.
Well, lumineers really, if there's anything that you don't like about your teeth, lumineers have the ability to make them look better or make them look the way you want. Because I control the length, the width, the entire shape, the contour, the color. We can make your teeth as white as you want, or we can make your teeth as dark as you want. So everybody gets the idea that lumineers are really, really white. Well, they don't have to be. If you want teeth that aren't so white, then we can do it that way. And we get a lot of patients who come in that may have a variation of colors from different crowns that were done at different times and different types of dental work that were done in their mouth. And it creates a hodgepodge of colors, which doesn't necessarily, look clean or desirable. And we can improve that by doing lumineers right over their old dental work. So if we look at this gentleman here, you can see he's got a lot of different colors. And then when we get everything even and the same shade, you can see it really makes a big difference in his smile and the way he looks.
I just want my smile to be great. I just do. Why not?
Sure.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
just what I've been through and what I'm gonna go through. So.
It's your turn now, right?
Yeah.
That's exactly right. Beautiful. Have you seen your smile yet? Oh.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
Who are you going to show first?
My kids.
Yeah? They get to see it first?
A couple of them do, yeah.
Yeah, nice. And I want to know about your compliments. Are you happy with your smile?
Yes.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. I love it.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. You are. You absolutely are. You're a Hollywood star.
Hollywood smile.
This gentleman here came in because he had a tooth that was irritating him and it was messing up his bite, and he wanted to get rid of his gold. So we were able to do a bridge here, and we did some lumineers and gave him a nice clean smile, and as you can see, he's thrilled. And that's permanent work. The bridge is not something that comes out. It's something that stays in there. He doesn't even know it's there. I mean, it's like getting your teeth back, essentially. So that's what we're able to do with this gentleman and give him a nice, beautiful or handsome smile that he can be proud of. If you're not smiling, there's no way people are going to approach you nearly as often. You may not get approached at all. They may get the idea that you're not very friendly. But somebody who's smiling, what do you think? That's a friendly guy. I'm going to want to approach him. Let me talk to him. Let me smile at them. So a smile really does make the difference in communication with others and how they respond to you. Good. Very nice. Are you happy with your smile?
Oh yeah.
Would you do it again? If somebody were thinking about doing this, what would you tell them?
Do it.
Do it. Yeah, don't wait.
I've regretted mine for a long time.
And you had some previous dental work that you just weren't happy with and you decided, hey, I want to be happy with my dental work, right?
Bits and pieces here and there that just
Didn't add up.
didn't go together.
Yeah.
Looks like $1 million.
Nice. And it does. And you just got them just now, right?
Yes.
How do you like them?
Love it.
And if somebody was thinking about doing this, and they weren't sure if it was going to make a difference in their life, what would you tell them?
Just look at me. I'm a poster child for Dr. G.
Yeah.
I have to wear it on my back.
Yeah.
Like my smile, go see Dr. G.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, nobody's going to know they're not real.
I know.
Yeah.
I can't tell.
Yeah. So, and you're
I
not
love it.
going to want to go, oh, Dr. G did that.
No. I'm not going to tell anybody. I'll let them think that I had Botox or a facelift or something. Won't tell them it's my teeth.
One of the important things that our teeth do is they grind foods. And grinding is something that we might take for granted. If you're missing even one back molar, it's like missing two, because now, say it's a lower molar that's going, now the upper one has nothing to hit on. So your grinding ability has been decreased by half. And if you think about it, that means you're swallowing bigger pieces of food. Bigger pieces of food go into your stomach, and what's your stomach going to do? It's got to release more acids to digest these bigger pieces. And over time, you get acid reflux issues. And then you go to the doctor, and they give you a Nexium or Prilosec or something to neutralize those acids. And then once those acids are neutralized, you got to ask yourself, what's happening to these bigger particles now? Well, they're getting into your intestine and your colon, and it's creating problems down there. And then your doctor goes, well, guess you got a spastic colon, or you're under a lot of stress. And what it really is that you're not grinding your foods properly. That's really how important teeth are. They don't just affect your smile, but they affect the rest of your body and your ability to be healthy. You've got to pay attention to the gum tissues. Gum tissues are really the picture frame of your smile. It's half of what you see, whether you realize it or not. And a good example of this is this lady here. If you look at this particular tooth, you see the gum tissue kind of jets in. So if we were to put a lumineer on this tooth, we've got to follow the outline of the tooth. Well, following that outline would mean that the lumineer's got to come in at an angle, a strong angle right there. So what I did is I use a laser type device, doesn't bother my patients one bit, and we just raise that tissue through here just a little bit. And if you look at the next picture here, this is the lumineer that's been placed, and you can see that that's got a nice curvature, comes in, has a nice outline. If we didn't do that, the tissue would be jetting across here, disrupting her beautiful smile. You can see his tissue level varies. The teeth are the same length here, but this tooth is taller because the tissue drops down further here. So what we want to do is give him a nice clean smile. So we want to raise that tissue up a little bit through here. And that's really going to give him a much better look to his smile. That look better to you already?
Yeah,
Seen it,
that
right?
was absolutely amazing.
Yeah,
And I didn't know that that procedure could be done, or I
That's
probably
simple.
would have done it years ago.
Yeah. So many people don't realize these kinds of things can be done. Tomorrow, you'll hardly be able to tell anything was even done there. You can see how much of a difference that made in his smile. I mean, it's huge. It's little things make big, big differences. And now he can be confident, and I guarantee you, he'll get compliments on his smile just from what we did today. Mike, how was that procedure? Did that bother you much?
Not at all.
Great.
A little, maybe a cold sensation. Other than that, it was. I wish I would have done it years ago.
Don't be discouraged. Don't give up. My favorite saying in life is if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. In other words, if you say, oh no, there's no way I can do that, it's not going to happen, I've got this and that to take care of, or whatever it happens to be, then you're right. You've given up and it's not going to happen for you. However, if you're one of those that goes, well, you know, I don't know how I'm going to make this happen, but I'm going to figure it out. Maybe I can do this or that or whatever, and finagle this around, or maybe my car payment's going to be ending in 6 months and I can just kind of keep that going and get my dentistry taken care of, then you're absolutely going to get it done because you believe in what's yourself and you believe in you know, making it happen for you. So that saying to me really holds true. If you think you can or you think you can't, you're right.
If you need some dental work done and you want to get it done right, there's a lot of good dentists in Pensacola. But I do happen to know that this one dentist, Dr. G, will do everything he can to make your smile bright. They do a before picture when you come in, and they show you what lumineers would look like in your mouth before you even get it. That's what made the difference for me. I came in, they took a picture, they showed me what lumineers would look like before I even got them. And then after I got them, everything I wanted was done. Everybody loves my teeth, everybody. My mother and my sisters and brothers, they all want to get theirs done now.
This was like going to a dentist and having some easy work done. I didn't have to have a shot. It was fine. But the results are something else.
I've seen my smile is a lot better than I've seen on TV of Hollywood people, you know, especially like when you see Charlie Sheen smile. I mean, he's, you think this guy making this kind of money would have a better smile, but that's not for me to judge.
The process really is so simple. Just one free consultation with Dr. G, and the next visit, you're on your way to a brand new smile.
Give us a call at 477-8668. That's 477-8668. Thanks for watching our show. I've served the Pensacola area for over 16 years. I love the friendly people and the beautiful beaches. If you want to improve your smile, give us a call or look us up on the web at airportdental.com.